That put a halt to demolition on the buildings in the Duranguito neighborhood expired last night, and right now activists are standing guard. News Channel 9's Alejandra Briones is live from downtown El Paso with the latest developments. Alejandra.
Well, the call for help came from the Paso del Sur, one of the main activist groups behind the efforts to save Duranguito. And as you can see behind me, a handful of pro-Duranguito activists have been here since last night, making sure that nothing happens to the buildings in this area. As we reported, the Duranguito neighborhood lies within the downtown arena footprint, and since then, several lawsuits have followed. One of those accusing the city of not being in compliance with the Texas Antiquities Code. The court dismissed the appeal, agreeing the city is complying with the law, and sent the case back to El Paso. Still, many pro-Duranguito activists don't trust the city, and that's why they're out here today. This morning, however, Max Grossman, who's been behind those lawsuits, gave some words of reassurance to the people.
The city can neither break ground nor commence their project, two provisions in the code, until they have fully complied. Full compliance means that the code that has been respected, that the survey has been completed, and that everything has been signed off on by the THC.
You go check it?
Yeah, to shut down.
And we spoke with the interim city attorney about an hour ago, and she tells us the city has filed permits with the Texas Historical Commission, and they are following every legal requirement.
It's a separate process, but the city will continue to comply. We're not going to start demolishing anytime soon. There's some process that will take place, though.
Now, you may remember this was the scene almost a year ago when several buildings were damaged while that injunction was in place. However, those buildings, the city tells us, were being torn down by the property owners and not the city. I did ask the interim city attorney if they had a time frame of when everything was going to be complete so work could begin. However, she could not give us an estimate. All she could tell us was people don't have to worry about demolition starting anytime soon. Live from the Duranguito neighborhood in downtown El Paso, Alejandra Briones, News Channel 9.